You're probably wondering right now, before you pull the trigger on a $700 purchase on a Breville Espresso Machine, is it even gonna last? And I am going to show you this model that I have had for 13 years. It's probably not the exact model that you're looking at, but the engineering is the same. We're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you how this is taken apart, the things that I like about it, the things that I don't necessarily like about it, and lastly, we're gonna actually make a real shot of coffee with this thing. So first of all, full disclosure, it's probably not the same model you're looking at. For example, if I were to turn this to the left, it's gonna start heating up for the steam. So if you wanted to do a latte or a cappuccino, and if I go to the right, which you'll see for a minute, that pushes the water through, allowing us to pull a shot out. And so there might be some differences, the opposite side, and that's okay. There's the wand right here, which allows you to actually heat up some milk, but honestly, I use this for Americanos. We're going to get some in there, and it's a few more grounds in there. Let's hope that the grind is good enough, and then we're gonna clear off the edge to make sure that the seal is tight. We're gonna pop it into there like so, and we're gonna get an empty cup, pop it in there, and it's all heated up. It takes about, I wanna say 15 seconds, so here we go. Now we're gonna wait for a little bit for it to come out, and any second, and oh, look at how hot that is. Yes, guys, it is still pulling beautiful shots even after 13 years in existence. That's amazing for a machine. We're gonna go ahead and stop that guy, and we're gonna go ahead and get our hot water, dump it in like so, and there is your Americano. All right, so the things that I like about this is, well, first of all, it's gonna last for a long time. That's amazing. The thing that I don't necessarily like about it is you'll see that as it was pulling a shot, I actually had to hold my cup in place because it was rattling so much. So you're gonna have to watch it carefully as you're pulling the shot. Otherwise, this may rattle to the side and then you're gonna not actually get the espresso. And that's pretty much it. When you're done with it, you can turn it off by pushing that, and it is off. To turn it back on, you do the exact same button, wait for a few seconds, and then it will be hot enough to push that hot water through. Let's take this apart, shall we? All right, so let's go ahead and turn it off. You can take this out. It drains excess water into the tray. This can be taken apart, scrubbed, dishwasher safe. To actually fill it up with water, you take it out like so, fill it up with tap water. Of course, you also have another little spot back there if you wanted to hide some stuff, cleaning supplies, things of that nature. Everything slides into place like so. You can see it is so precisely well engineered. This thing has lasted forever. Honestly, we're kind of waiting for it to die, but it makes delicious coffee. That espresso, my wife is gonna drink. Amazing. So there you go, a testament to the brand of Breville. Whoever designed this thing is an absolute wizard at what he or she does. So regardless of what model you get, this thing has lasted me forever. Highly recommended.